Hey there. So, have you ever felt completely overwhelmed by the idea of diving into AI tools at work? Maybe you've thought to yourself, I want to use AI, but I have no coding skills. Well, today we're talking about something that might just be the answer you've been looking for. It's called OpnForm, and if you're in any way involved in creating forms, whether it's for customer feedback, surveys, or even student enrollments, this tool could be a game changer for you. So let's get into what OpnForm is all about. Imagine being able to create a fully customized and professional-grade form without typing a single line of code. OpnForm is an open-source, no-code form builder specifically designed for folks like you and me, who may not be tech wizards, but still need to get the job done efficiently and professionally. It leverages the power of AI to streamline the entire process, saving you both time and effort. With OpnForm, you can design, deploy, and manage forms quicker than ever. Here's how it works. Using OpnForm's drag-and-drop interface, creating a form becomes as easy as stacking building blocks. Say, you need a feedback form for customers. Just describe what you want, and thanks to the AI, you'll get a customized form tailored to your needs automatically. If you've ever been frustrated by the slow and tedious process of creating forms manually, this is where OpnForm excels. Beyond just ease of use, OpnForm offers a bunch of great features. There's conditional logic, which means your forms can adapt dynamically based on user inputs. For example, if a customer selects a specific option, relevant questions can appear or disappear, streamlining the user experience. And if your form needs to be more than just a single page, it can handle multi-step forms comfortably. Now, why should you care about the tech behind OpnForm? Well, because although the specifics are under wraps, it's likely running on some impressive natural language processing tech, possibly akin to those GPT models everyone's talking about. But you don't need to dive into the tech specifics to use it. That's the beauty of it. Let's talk real-world applications for a moment. Whether you're in marketing, education, or running a small business, the ways you can use OpnForm are practically limitless. Picture yourself as a small business owner needing a booking form, or maybe you're a teacher needing course evaluations. OpnForm can handle it all. It even supports file uploads if you need users to attach documents to their forms. For those of you mindful of budget constraints, this tool operates on a freemium model. This means you can access all core features and create unlimited forms without spending a dime. And if you ever want to opt for the hosted version, think of it as a more hands-off experience for a small fee. You can. I know. By now, you're probably thinking this sounds all too good to be true. So let's address some potential concerns. Right off the bat, while OpnForm's capabilities are impressive, it might not offer some advanced features out of the box, like payment integrations that you might find in pricier alternatives. Also, should you decide to self-host the open-source version, know that there's a bit of a technical learning curve involved. But if you're worried about jumping in alone, don't fret. OpnForm has a solid community driving support, whether through forums or GitHub, where users collaborate and improve upon the tool constantly. Moreover, learning how to use it is really straightforward and beginners-friendly, thanks to detailed online documentation. So, if you're ready to elevate how you use forms at work, OpnForm might just be the ideal next step. Whether it's saving time, reducing costs, or just making your work a little bit easier, it's an excellent starter for integrating AI into your professional life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Feel free to drop any questions or share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get a conversation going. I'd love to hear how you're planning to use OpnForm in your work. Thanks for watching, and remember, diving into AI doesn't have to be daunting. It can be as simple and rewarding as using OpnForm.